Right, I'm going to show you the difference in speed in putting a cable into connector blocks and putting a cable into wagos, and the speed difference and how it can speed up your job. Right, so we'll do the connector blocks first. So in they go. They are already unscrewed, so I'm not going to spend time doing that. That's that one. Check that's okay. Yep, that's that one. That's okay. That one. So that's our connector block done. How long was that? 10-15 seconds, maybe a bit longer, I'm not really sure. But now I gotta unscrew them. So now we're gonna do the wagos and see how quick these are compared to them. So here we go. Job done. Like, how much quicker is that?